Hi everyone, welcome back to ABBA English. Today's video lesson is quite simple and straightforward, but hopefully it'll be quite useful for those of you who want to practice your pronunciation and listening skills. I am going to go through some minimal pairs. So, to non-native English speakers, some of the vowels in English can appear to be pronounced in the same way, but there is a difference. And if you are keen to improve your accent, then you can watch this video and then practice by yourself or in the mirror. For this video in particular, I will be focusing only on vowel sounds. I'm going to pronounce the sound of the vowels and then give you contrasting words to show you the difference between two vowel sounds. Okay, let's get started. First, I want to show you the difference between a and e. Bat, bet. Sat, set. Mat, met. Pan, pen. Tan, ten. Notice the shape of my mouth. Next, e and I. Pet, pit. Set, sit. Let, lit. Hem, him. Pen, pin. Fell, fill. Now this one is quite tricky. It's a and So, cap, cup. Ran, run. Bat, butt. Bad, bud. Cat, cut. Tan, ton. Now we move on to the rounder sounds. O and or. Do, door. Low, law. Flow, floor. Joe, jaw. So, saw. Bow, bore. Now, I and E is a very small difference, but very important. So, ship, sheep. Bit, beat. Knit, neat. Chip, cheap. Sin, seen. Now, can you hear the difference between these sounds? Met, mate. Et, ate. Wet, wait. When, wane. Get, gate. Wren, rain. Now back to our round sounds. Wok, woke. Not, note. Chock, choke. Clock, cloak. John, Joan. Cot, coat. Now, and Americans, Irish and some Southern English people use a hard R sound, but in RP accents, which is what I have, we don't pronounce the R. So, park, perk. Carb, curb. Bath, birth. Shark, shirk. Fast, first. Barn, burn. If you want to watch this video a few times so that you fully understand and even speak along with me, then that would be a great idea. Remember, my accent is British, so it differs a little bit if you hear an American accent, but nonetheless you can still practice and perfect your pronunciation. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Practice, and I will see you in the next ABBA English video. Goodbye!